So after saving, we are coming back again with the another set of explanation, that is identify elements of user interface in Microsoft Word window. Okay, fine. So now we are going back over here again, opening Microsoft Word. Okay, in the morning I had told you that how to open Microsoft window by using its file name WinWord. Windows run and then WinWord, and then it will be open for you. Now check out here, this is the main window for you. So if you click on the blank document, a document will be open for you. Now you see this one, this is known as title bar. This is the quick access toolbar. You can customize here, you can get the quick options from here, you can add some options or you can remove some options from here. So this is the menu bar, this is the file. Okay, you can see out here, this is the file, and that is the ribbon. This is called actually ribbon. Then here are having several groups: home, clipboard group, content card, copy, paste, format, printer, etc. You can having the insert group also, from where you can insert the pictures and all, shapes and all. You are having the illustrations and all out here. You are having the lot of things, a lot of other things even. You are having the header, footer, everything that you can insert. You can insert a text box also. A lot of utilities are available. You can see the design tab also out here. In the design tab, a lot of other things are also available. There are different types of formats that you can choose with. Okay, actually there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there. 7 such tabs are there, references are there, mailings are there. These tabs are having the separate utility. View group is there. From here you can change the view. You can go to the read mode, you can go to the print layout, you can go to the web layout, you can go to the outline and draft, you can go to the ruler and grid line. This is the ruler, this is the vertical scroll bar, sorry, horizontal scroll bar, and here down you can see the horizontal scroll bar also. This is the horizontal scroll bar, and this is the vertical scroll bar. This is the title bar that will show you the document that you are working with, that will be shown. The ruler bar, you can just remove it, and you can bring the grid lines also, you can bring the rulers also. So these are the things, these are the view tabs and all. So a lot of things are there. This place is known as work area, and these are the ruler bars out here. This is the zoom, you can change the view of your document, you can zoom the view also. You can increase the view if you want the 200% view, 100% view, whatever you like. When normal view is 100% mode. Okay, one page view, this is the one page view, this is the multiple page view. Okay, and many other things are there. So we are going over there, the one page view only, and we are going back to 100% view. So this is the ruler bar. All right, now here you can have the zoom slider also. This is called zoom slider. You can change the zoom view from here also. And if you are having a very high-end laptop, you can just pinch it on your test pad, pinch it so it will increase. Okay, increase its view. Fine. So this is the zoom slider. Ruler bar you have seen, scroll bars also you have seen. Okay, and there are groups in home tab. That is very important for you. Normally used for cut, copy, and paste. That is the clipboard group out here. And here you can find the font group out here. So the any kinds of font um, uh, font formatting activities are available, such as bold, italics, underline, changing colors, highlighting, and changing the font color and font size. Sorry, font name and font size. So I'm just writing a line, a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So this is the line. So we'll just format it out here. Okay, you see how it is. This I taught you how to highlight this one. You can click and drag simply on it, a sentence, or just click thrice on it. So bold, this will be italics, this will be underline, this will be changing of colors. Any color you can change. I am making it blue out here. You can change the size of the things, and you can increase the size one by one. Okay, and you can decrease the size also as well. You can change the name of the font. The drop down list will come down, and you can do so. I'm telling you the shortcuts and all out here. Shortcuts available in order to do the bold, italics, underline. That is Control V, Control U, and Control I is the keyboard, other keyboard shortcuts in order to do this. However, you can increase the font size by using the Control key and the open open bracket, open third bracket. Okay, just below the backspace key in your keyboard, open bracket, that will increase and then it will decrease. Okay, so it decrease the size. That is the keyboard shortcut for this. Okay, fine. And then this is the highlighter also is available. You can also highlight with any color. So this is the bit of formatting. So we will meet you in our next video, a bit of again with the some more with the formatting.